baby girl. How are you today, huh? How are you? Oh. Yeah? Would you like Grandma come to visit you? Huh? Would you like Grandma come to visit you? Oh. 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 Hi. Say hi. Yeah? Oh. Say hi. You got cute little feeties right there and kicking. Say hi. Oh. Hi there. You cute baby girl. Huh? You cute baby girl. Come on, say hi.